Garrett Berry here. Chances are you're looking for how to make money online fast or how to make money from home. Well, you're in the right place because inside of this video, I'm actually going to share with you the exact way that I've been able to generate over $400 today just working an hour or so from my laptop and sometimes my smartphone. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. All right, welcome back to the video, my friend. Now, in a second, what I'm actually going to do is share with you more proof of other people doing this so you can see that it's not just me and that anyone, no matter what their background, what their experience level, if they're coachable and willing to follow exactly what I'm going to share in this video, can plug in and get incredible results. Okay, now what exactly are we doing to achieve these results, right? How did I make over $400 in a single day in an hour or so? Well, it's very, very simple. What this is a direct sales opportunity. And all we do is we simply copy and paste ads on social media, okay, sites like Facebook, sites like YouTube, Craigslist. When people respond to those ads and buy the product, you actually get paid 100% commission or 100% of that money. And you can get it deposited into your bank account or a PayPal account. As long as you have about an hour or so a day, a smartphone or a computer, and a Wi-Fi connection, you can actually do this. So in a second, again, like I said, I'm going to share with you more proof of Facebook messages that I've been getting and my teammates have been seeing in our private Facebook group for new members. So you can see that anyone, can do this and that tons of people are actually getting results with it. But real quick, what I want to invite you to do is if you are interested in any point in this video to find out more information on how to do this, how you can get access to the same copy paste ads myself and all these people you're about to see have used, and how you can actually get started doing the same thing so you can get your first deposit within the first 48 hours like most people, I invite you to check out the link below at any time in this video, or just head to easyonlineprofitsystem.com. When you head to that page, you'll be able to see much more information as well as how to get started. But without further ado, let me hop on my computer and I'm going to walk you through some actual testimonials of other people doing this so you can see that anyone can really succeed. So, here's one of the messages that I got in my Facebook Messenger from one of my newest members. He said, "Hey Garrett, thanks again, man. I figured out what I asked about and just wanted to say thank you. I had lost faith, honestly, and because of this community, you have given me hope. I've grown not just financially, but mentally as well. You are a true gem." Here's a guy who posted in a private Facebook group that everyone gets added to for 24/7 support. He said, "Wow, this is another advantage of running sales on autopilot. I never expected another sale as early as this." And he got sent a $50 deposit into his PayPal account. Here's another person in our group. "It's a great day, everyone. I love getting these $100 payments. Stay focused and consistent." As you can see, PayPal sent her a notification of a $100 payment that just deposited on total autopilot. Here's another person that reached out to me. They said, "Hey, I got 2 sales, and I honestly just want to thank you again for the training videos and all the information." Okay, 2 sales, that's easily over, $50 to $100, depending on how much she made per sale. But that's absolutely incredible, working very part-time. Here's another one. "Hey, stud, just had another person join through me." I'm like, "Hey, that's congrats, that's awesome. Just keep doing it." And they said, "Thanks. Yes, I already have like 4 people or so saying they're joining." This is just average people who've never done anything like this before, who made a decision and got started. I'll share one more just to, share the results that people are getting. Now, this person in our private group, I'm a beginner and I made an incredible $153 for 3 days. I'm very excited. And as you can see right there, the PayPal money was over $153. Absolutely incredible. Pretty amazing, right, my friends? So I just wanted to share that, not to impress you, but to impress upon you what's possible. I never did anything like this. I was a struggling, broke, busted and disgusted waiter working on minimum wage about 3 years ago, but I came across the video on YouTube, and for whatever reason, I trusted this person. I got started at the link below, and my entire life changed within 30 days. Within 30 days, I was able to quit my job, go full-time from home, and just do the things I love to do with the people I love doing it with. And now I've been helping people from all 4 corners of the world do the exact same thing, as you've seen from a lot of those messages. So I hope you enjoyed this video, my friend. I shot this to help you, to share with you exactly what I'm actually doing to make over $400 a day online on autopilot. If you're interested in learning more, go ahead, go to the link below while it's still available, and check out the information. If you resonate, get started. I'll personally reach out to you, share with you more training, more, take you by the hand, and really get you started on the right path to do the same thing. Thank you so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on the next page.